PinnacleCart.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to PinnacleCart, which is a platform which is an e-commerce software designed for creating and managing online stores. It offers a user-friendly interface with customizable templates and features to build professional websites. The platform provides secure payment processing options and integrates with various shipping carriers. PinnacleCart also offers marketing tools to optimize SEO and promote sales, making it a comprehensive solution for online businesses. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this software works. So this is the main page of our software. As you can see here, we have the features. If you want to see all the features that this software offers, and so all the features including the supported payment options, e-commerce hosting, Intuit QuickBooks, themes, and so on. And here we have the pricing, services, custom design, custom development, and so on. Here we have the resources, blog, and the support if you want to ask about anything, example stores, knowledge base, learn and connect themes. Here we have their contact information and login for those who already have an account here, and free trial if you want to start your free trial. So before starting our free trial, let's check the pricings first, so to see how much they get paid and to see the plans that are available in this software. So you have the free one, which is the free trial for 14 days, as you can see here, 14-day trial. And here we have the standard plan, which is $80 a month, designed for new e-commerce business. Choose from over 30 plus payment providers. The advanced one, which is $200 a month, and the enterprise one, which is more than $200 a month, and it doesn't have a steady price. You choose the price for your plan depending on the things that you need to have in the plan. So let's go and let's start our free trial. You can start your free trial from here or from this button also. So let's start our free trial. Let's create your online store, catapult your sales with the e-commerce platform designed to grow businesses. So you give them a store name, you choose a store name. So I'm just going to write something, for example, as you can see. Then you give them your name, your email address, your phone number, and your country, and then you hit build your store. So I'm going to fill this information and get back with you. So as you can see, they're installing our store. So the step one, securely deploying core files. So they are going to build our store. That's the process that they're going to go with. So I'm just going to pause the video until this is done and continue our video. So after verifying your store from your email, this page pops up where you need to choose a security question. So you choose one of the security questions and you remember it because it's very important in case you forgot your password. Then you give a security question answer. Then you hit save, and this is our dashboard, as you can see. So this is our dashboard before this. So we have quick start guide, step 1 of 4. So you need to fill this information: your street address line to city, country, state, zip or the postal code. You put your phone and your email, your fax, contact support email, and your notification from email. Then you go next to the next step. So I guess we can't proceed if you don't fill this information. So I advise you guys to fill this information. It's pretty easy, and even the 4 steps is very easy. So this is our dashboard. Here you can see the last orders from here, and you seen, no new orders require attention. So in our left we have orders and customers, products and categories. If you want to create new products, browse products, add new product, browse categories, add new category, manufacturer, and so on. And here we have the front end. If you want to manage themes, catalog settings, site pages, custom forms, and so on. Here we have the marketing, social sharing, Google tools, promo discounts, and so on. And here we have reports, as you can see, and apps if you want to integrate any app from these applications to your dashboard. So let's go back, and here you can see how much you still have in your free trial. And if you want to see your storefront, you hit view storefront, and it will take you to your store. As you can see, this is our store, so it needs a lot of customization and improving, and I will show you how to do that right now. So you go to your product and your front end, you go to your front end and you go to manage themes. So you click manage themes, and here you can choose one of those themes. You can change this theme to one of these themes. As you can see, you have the baby based, caps, electronics, food fly, pizza lover, office supplies, mobile accessories, game depot, primer, run for fun. You have a lot of themes to choose from, so I'm just going to change it to this one. I think it's pretty much good. So this is the place where you can edit your theme. As you can see, typography, you can change it from here, and the common colors, you can change the common colors. You can change site content settings, site footer settings, catalog settings, checkout, newsletter settings, revisions, file manager, and if you want to exit designer. And as you can see, this is your theme. You can also see how it looks in the mobile phone, just like this. So you check everything is good. After that, you hit exit designer, so we go back to edit and publish. So we hit, after adding some edits and so on, you hit preview current revisions, and you can see how it looks in fall. As you can see, so after you edit your store, you go to revisions, and here you can select publish, then your theme will be ready. So let's check in our dashboard. As you can see, current theme, it's electronics bootstrap. So we changed our theme, as you can see. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.